With job costing, every job is different. It has a different set of material and labor costs, as opposed to process costing, where we make one product and the costs move through consistently because we're only making one thing. And a great example of process costing is Kraft Heinz. So Kraft Heinz is divesting, breaking up. They're taking a lot of slow growth brands, old brands that have been around a long time, that are slow growing, and moving them into a separate company. One of them is Kraft macaroni and cheese, Mac and Jack. I grew up on it. My kids grew up on it. Still a popular brand, but slowing in growth. So if you think about macaroni and cheese, they're making one product. So costs are put in and moved through a process. So the ingredients are brought in, they're mixed together, we package the product, we ship the product. It's all in a straight line, consistent, because we're only making one product. That is process costing. As opposed to job costing, when you think about job costing, think of tradespeople and contractors. So let's say that the Smith family is getting a kitchen renovation done. So the materials for that kitchen renovation will be going to be different. What do the cabinets look like? What are they made out of? What's the size of the kitchen? What kind of appliances do we need to fit into the kitchen? So every cost is different, which means that the person who's doing the kitchen renovation is going to give a detailed job costing sheet to the client that's going to detail all the material costs, all the labor costs, and a specific bid, and that bid is going to be different for every client. So if you're using job costing and process costing, realize that we still have direct and indirect material, direct and indirect labor, and we have overhead with both job costing and process costing. However, the difference is that with job costing, every job is unique. The person's going to get a cost estimate based on their unique situation. Process costing, we are simply moving costs through a system. And that's the difference between these two methods of costing.